Let's see how to play my first nature game. If we see the contents, there are 7 star-shaped cards in 7 different colors, 35 cards with 7 different colored edges. These cards show how animals and insects grow up. Numbers from 1 to 5 on cards show the sequence of their developments. Before starting the game, shuffle the 35 cards and randomly place them face down on the table. Place the 7 colored stars in a vertical row. I don't have enough space now, but when you play the game, allow enough space beside the stars so that the 5 matching cards can be placed beside them during the game. The youngest one starts and play continues in a clockwise direction. In your turn, turn over a card so that everyone can see it. If you turn over the number 1 card of a creature, place it beside the star of the same color. This card has navy edge, so this card should be beside navy colored star. Then turn over the another card, and if the card is number 2 of the same creature, you can place it beside number 1 card. Or if the card is number 1 card of another creature, you can place it next to the matching star. Continue until you cannot make another match. If you turn over a card that does not match, place it face down again, and the next player takes a turn. If I turn over number 5 card, I cannot place number 5 card directly beside number 1 card, so I have to turn this card over and play moves to the next person. In this manner, players place 5 cards with matching edges and in the correct order of 1 to 5. The player who turns over the last card of the sequence wins the matching star. When there's no card left, the game ends. The player who collects most cards wins the game.